Lemon juice has many potential health benefits due to its high levels of vitamin C, antioxidants and many other beneficial plant compounds. While olive oil is a healthy plant-based oil high in monounsaturated fatty acids, polyphenols, antioxidants, vitamins A, E, and K, as well as minerals such as magnesium and iron, so combining lemon juice and olive oil will give you an amazing health benefit. Enjoying this video? Give it a like and share it to your family and friends. Here are some ways you can use lemon juice and olive oil together to achieve an amazing benefit. Number 1. Relieve joint pain. The combination of lemon juice and olive oil is a powerful way to help keep your bones and joint healthy and strong. The fatty acids in olive oil help to lubricate and protect the bones, while the acidity in the lemon juice helps to dissolve calcium deposits that can accumulate in the joints and lead to stiffness and pain. All you have to do is to mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and massage the mixture into your joints to help relieve joint pain. Number 2. Good digestion. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning to help with digestion. Number 3. Skin and hair care. The fatty acids in olive oil can help to moisturize the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, while the vitamin C in lemon juice can help boost collagen production and protect the skin from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Mix equal parts of lemon juice and olive oil and apply it to your face as a moisturizer or to your hair as a conditioner. This mixture can help to hydrate and nourish your skin and hair. Number 4. Sore throat. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and warm it up slightly. Gargle with the mixture to soothe a sore throat. Number 5. Detoxification. Body cleansing is very important for maintaining good health, and combining olive oil and lemon will help to flush out built-up toxins and waste. Just mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning to help detoxify your body. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our video.